Hi everybody. Due to COVID-19, our healthcare professionals are facing a shortage in personal protection equipment. So we decided to make face shields as a small contribution from our end. A lot of good YouTube videos, but this is our way of doing it. The materials we used to make the face shield. The first material we used was the transparency film, and it's used in projectors, and we got it from Office Depot. Transparency film becomes the face shield. The second material we used is the air conditioner weather seal, and it's used right here on the face shield. The third material we used is double-sided mounting tape. It is used to connect the air conditioner weather seal and the transparency film together. The fourth material we used are large rubber bands, also known as file bands. They are used right here. The material is a one-hole punch, and the sixth material is duct tape. They are used right here, and it prevents the transparency film from ripping. Here's how you make it. You have to get your air conditioner weather seal and cut it to 8.5 inches. Second step is to get your double-sided mounting tape and put it on top of the air conditioner weather seal. Next step is to take off the other side of the mounting tape and connect it to the longer side of the transparency shield. Step is to cut your duct tape to about 1 inch and put it on the other side of the transparency shield. The next step is to get a one-hole punch and make a hole on the duct tape. Step is to cut the rubber band once and tie it to the face shield through the holes you just made. Next step is to tie one end of the face shield. Not so it's secure, and then start tying it to the other side. This is what the final product should look like. It goes on easily and works well with the face mask too.